God. Well, for a snowy one.
Right, come on then, let's go! Come on!
Loving life. Up into the clouds.
Them coming through, I don't know.
A griller in the mist. Can you spot him? As he emerges from the mist. We've been following the footprints, but look, he's hit this bog and he's like, ah, forget this. He's just turned around and gone home. Hope we're gonna get above the clouds.
Go up, look left again.
Yeah. Snow's getting deep now. Getting close to the top. Got these big snow drifts. Like, Poppy's loving it. We've run up and down so many times. Look at it. Didn't hear anyone.
Proper camping.
Proper camping. I'm scouting on ahead to find the campsite. Told him I'd meet him by the trig. Got icicles growing on my arm. It's not much further now, about 40-50 metres up. I might be up there. I don't know what it's going to be like because the wind is coming this way. Get to the top of this mountain. We'll find out. Van Voer!
Cracking conditions, fair play. Right?
Right, I might not get out again, so this is the only view you're going to get. Yeah, I'm stuck in the tent. We've got our doors facing. Guy lines are all interlocking, it's just so close. Roof's in there, over there. Nathan's in there. Yeah, doors. Should be alright. Let's get in here. I've turned into a Yeti. The icicle's growing on me. I'm going to get back in my tent, I think. Look at that. That's what I call a quality night out. There's Poppy, staying warm after all that rolling in the snow. I got the down boots on, look. Here's the droof. Got a coffee on the go first. Oh god, the tents are looking frosty already.
You're gonna yonder.
Well, all I've seen is Nathan's arse here for the last half an hour. I don't know what he's up to.
You've got a car afternoon.
Right. £10, so I have to take you through the setup. 2 pillows. Mitts. They're going to be needed now. The speaker, can't play the music, there's a YouTube. On Spoil Sports. Some lineups there. Some marshmallow stout. Some beyond that. I think that's another dog's window on it. Oh, it's Adam one there. Big softy. And a Mars. We got giant lollipop. That's what she said. With a UGQ -12 quilt bandit. There's Skavinsky Skavar there. Alright, strike a pose, I'm taking a photo. got the old Ninja Bear. Cold, Nath?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad, eh?
Not too bad when you're in here, like.
On the top of Van here. Oh, not Van here, is it? Van Vout. Where'd I get Van here from? Huh? You said that earlier on, that's what stuck in my head.
Next to Van Buchanan.
Yeah, Van Vout. Right, oh, that's my, that's the grub tonight, that is. Chicken fajitas.
Right, inside the tent, ice is growing, the fear is growing. I got some toffee popcorn, Halloween chocolates, and then proper hot sag curry and pilo rice, couple of sweets. Look what's come back to life. She's just farted something chronic. You need to go out there. You're going to breathe it. Go on in. Go on in.
If you got to artificially filled, I don't know.
Here we go. So we got sliced chicken, ready cooked. Kilo rice, sag curry. It says it's medium, but this is super spicy. This is the hottest one. Chicken's on. Chicken's on. Shed a bit of chicken on the biscuits. There's the curry.
Yeah, I'm filming a second, mush. Trying to fill your video up with a few more precious minutes. Z-wraps are nearly done. Just gonna cook the peppers, huh?
I'm eating chocolate pumpkins because, you know, it's only just been Halloween, isn't it? Truffus just handed me a fajita. Look at this. Hey. I'm going to try this. Truffus just passed me. It's stay stuffed. That's nice, isn't it?
That's good, man.
Dog's Window. I never heard of it before.
Bridgend Brewery, man.
Just thinking about it. Nah, too cold. The girl is in the rucksack. But it should be good. So she's in there. Blanket over the top. She should be fine in that.
Right then, we're on the Mr. Wild Wales special. Z-Big Softy. Looks a bit like Adam as well, doesn't it?
Come on.
It looks like it's a Akita, it is. Japanese Akita with a onesie on.
I'll tell you who's the biggest softie.
Icicles that have grown. Just open my eyes on this. I told him where we were.
Yeah.
Right, got a look around the tents this morning. Thick ice. Oh, should feel the weight of this guy like. Oh God. It's looking a bit squished, this one, mate. Whee! Tent's having a bit of a battering this morning, it's gone windy. Tip it up. Boys are going for a walk to the Trig. It's about 500 metres away. Slow morning so far. It's about 9 o'clock. Quite comfy just lying there. Better start getting it down though, I guess. Plenty of snow on the ground. It's going to be a cold walk back. Right. Left no trace, you could tell where we were. Let's get down, Naths. Some weird tarp set up here, like aerials on it. So have a